In December 2021, several drivers reported seeing a blue car speeding along a New Mexico highway.
A45 SOCOM. 10-4, vehicle just took off at a high rate of speed heading southbound. Too much traffic. I am not going to be in pursuit. Give that bolo to Thule PD, SO, and APD. Reason for the stop is going to be possible 47. Maintaining visual. Like I said, not going to be in pursuit. Vehicle is going southbound.
A short time later, while driving, officers spotted a blue car at a gas station.
Hey man, who just walked in in that car?
That's it.
Come out of the stall and get out! Now!
I'm peeing!
Oh, come out! Get out here now! Get out! Get your hands up!
What did I do? I didn't do anything! I just went to pee!
Wasn't you.
What?
That's why they told me you're driving that blue car, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. You are now detained. So I figured out exactly why you left from...
Detained?
Because you took off my traffic stop.
What are you talking about?
Let's go.
No, you can even get...
Come on.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! You are such a... Let me go!
So what happens when you run from the police?
I didn't do anything.
As the officer escorted the woman out of the gas station, she resisted by trying to pull away.
No! Let me go! Let me go! Ow! Let me go! No!
Stand right here.
I didn't do anything!
Stand right here and separate your feet.
Anything.
Separate your feet.
I didn't do anything!
Separate your feet!
I didn't do anything! No! Let me go! I didn't do anything! I did not do anything! Let me go! Let me go! I just had to pee!
845 SOCOM.
Let me go!
1041 detained at this time.
Let me go! I didn't do anything!
I told you. You took off from my traffic stop.
No, I didn't!
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Don't play games with me.
You.
Yeah, whatever.
No,
Whatever.
I
Hey.
did not. Let me go.
What's your name?
Let me go.
What's your name?
Let me go. Let me go.
Let me go isn't your name.
Let me go. You asshole. Let me go.
Okay.
I did not do anything.
845 SOCOM.
Let me go.
Have a 1028 out of Nebraska.
I need to call my boyfriend.
You're going to jail is where you're going.
No, I'm not. Let me go.
Okay.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go and call my boyfriend, please. I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
Can you just hang on to her for a second, please? Thank you.
Please let me go. Please let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Please let me go.
Where's your ID? Told you, you're not. The only place you're going is to jail.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I did not do anything.
Okay.
Please let me go. I just want to call my boyfriend, please.
You're not calling anybody. The only place that you're going to go is to the jail. You're gonna go to jail for.
I did not go to jail.
You're gonna go to jail for resisting arrest, eluding.
I didn't
All
do
right.
anything.
Yes, you did. I stopped you 8 miles
No,
down the road.
I
stopped you 8 miles down the road. You
Please.
pulled over for me, and then you took off.
No, I did not.
Okay.
I did not. Let me
Okay.
get my boyfriend, please. Please.
Spell your name.
No.
J-A-M what?
Jay. No, I'm not spelling my name for you. That is not how my name is spelled.
Spell your name.
No.
You're gonna get another charge if you don't give me your name.
No. Let me call my boyfriend, please.
I gotta go talk to the
Please,
manager really quick.
Let me call my boyfriend.
That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna end up. If you work with me, I'm gonna work with you.
Let me call
Okay.
my boyfriend, please.
If I let you call your boyfriend, you're gonna tell me who you are? Where's your phone?
It's. I think it's in my car right there.
Where?
Right, the blue car right behind.
Obviously
right
the
behind
blue car, but where in the blue car?
you. And I don't know. In the console, I think.
Is your car unlocked?
I don't know.
Don't know.
I've got the keys. I've got the keys right here around my neck. It's.
I got your permission to look in there?
Fall. Yes, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
Turn around and lean her up against there.
Can you help?
In the center console? Where exactly is it?
In the middle, I think.
In the middle, you think?
I think I. I'll cooperate if you just let me alone.
You're not. I told you. The only place you're going is jail.
Why?
I already told you why.
The officer was about to conduct a field sobriety test on Karen, but she refused and admitted to being drunk.
What do you want me to do?
Just stand right there for a second, all right?
All right.
Because we're gonna go right over here. We're gonna use
Okay.
that line. That way, it's nice and flat.
What
We're out of the
line?
way. That big yellow line right there on the road.
Okay.
All right. And that way, we're out of the way of everybody else.
Sure. And if I pass these tests,
You're still going to jail.
why?
I already told you.
What'd I do?
For evading.
I did not obey you.
I didn't say obey. I said
Move.
evade.
You need to move because there's space between these two.
It's okay.
You need to move.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's all right. So, would you mind watching
how
her?
am I supposed to follow the test if there are two
Can you stand
cars?
right over? Can you stand right over
Okay.
here? That way, I can move my truck.
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, 45 still come. (10-4). We're gonna be doing 10-6 on some SFSTs.
So sundown is in route. The 10 from now.
10-4. Okay, Jamie.
What do you want me to do?
Right over here. That way we're out of the way. You don't have to worry about it, okay? I'll take those off you in just a second. See that yellow line right there?
Yep.
That's where we're gonna go, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Is the yellow line going this way?
That line right there if you like,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
Just stand right there, don't move, okay?
Okay.
All right. Are there any conditions that prevent you from doing some quick walking tests?
Nope.
No, nothing at all. Okay.
Nope.
What I'd like you to do is take your heels and your toes, touching it out just like this. Put your hands at your side, leave them just like this, okay? Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yep.
Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts?
Contacts.
Do you have your contacts in?
Yep.
Can you see my finger?
Yep.
All right. Do you have any injuries to your brain or anything that prevent you from doing any coordination tests? Does it prevent you from doing any coordination tests?
It might.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you want to try the test anyway?
Sure.
All right. Keep your head perfectly still. Keep your head looking at me. Follow this finger with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yep.
Don't move your head. Keep your nose pointing at mine.
I will
Use your
try.
eyes only, okay? Try to keep your nose pointing at mine. You're still
I'm
moving your.
trying.
I know it's
I'm
okay.
Trying.
Just relax. It's
trying.
okay. Just trying to remind you. Okay, you can relax. All right. Next one we're going to do is going to be the walk and turn, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So what I'd like you to do, you take your left foot, put it right here on the line. Keep that, no, your left foot, there you go. Right there on the line. Yep, left foot on the line. Take your right foot, you're going to touch it heel to toe, just like this, and you're going to stand just like this. Can you do that? Just like that. Keep your hands at your side. Okay, let me give you some quick instructions, okay? I want you to stay just like that. Do not begin until I tell you. Understand? All right. What you're going to do is you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, looking at your feet with your hands at your side. Make sure you watch me, okay? That way you can see. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Don't start until I tell you to, okay? Because I have to show you first. That way you understand what you're doing. All right? Okay, well, let me show you. That way you can see. Okay? Like I said, 9 steps. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to 3. You must go to 9. When you get to the 9th step, you're going to turn yourself around using your opposite foot. Okay? 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Touching heel to toe, looking down at your feet, counting out loud so I can hear you.
1.
Hang on. Don't start yet. Okay? I didn't tell you to start. All right? Do you understand my test?
You know what? I'm drunk. Okay? I'm drunk.
Okay.
I just want my boyfriend. Okay?
Where's your boyfriend at?
You called him. I don't know.
Okay. Well, do you want to finish the test or do you want to stop?
Just stop.
Okay.
I just want my boyfriend.
All
I
right.
didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
No, do not put me back in those. I will gladly.
Listen to me. I'll put him in the front if you just chill out. Okay? But I have to put him on you. Okay?
Fine.
All right.
I didn't do anything. Please call him.
We'll call him again, okay?
Okay.
And it's only us.
You got muscles over here, man?
That's true.
Hey, what are you doing?
Assistant.
Of course it would be you.
So I don't have any charging paperwork yet. I'll bring it back. I'll bring it to you guys here in a little bit.
Okay.
All right?
What's your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine?
My name is
Or not Jamie. Sorry, Jamie. I'm going to need that back, though. All right, Jamie. So if you kick these guys, they don't play by the same rules as we do, okay?
Hi, Jamie.
Come on this way.
Come on. Okay.
I need my jewelry back. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you.
He's got those 2 IDs in it.
Okay.
As stated in court documents, Jamie Granger entered a guilty plea to aggravated DWI and 2 counts of battery on a peace officer.